Hey, boys and girls. This is a book by Grace Hansen, and it's called Burps. And it is a beginning science gross body functions book. All about burps. This is a brand new book. Listen. Oh, you can hear that spine crack open because it's brand new. Burps by Grace Hansen. Gross body functions. This is a table of contents, and the table of contents tells you a list of chapters or subjects that are in the book. This is a very common feature in a nonfiction text. So, loud and stinky, page 4. Too much gas, page 10. What's that smell, page 16. I can already tell this book's going to be gross. But it's nonfiction, so it's real things that happen to our bodies. Loud and stinky. Burps can sound and smell pretty gross, but they're doing an important job. When we eat and drink, we swallow food and water, but we also swallow air. Air contains gases like nitrogen and oxygen. Too much gas in the esophagus and stomach can be uncomfortable. Burping releases this excess gas. So this is a little diagram on the human body, and these are captions that tell us, that label the parts of the diagram. So this is the esophagus, and this is the tube that connects your stomach up to your mouth, and this is your stomach. That's where your food goes after you swallow it. So if too much gas is building up in your stomach and your esophagus, you burp to release it. Fizzy drinks like soda pop can also cause us to burp. Soda pop is carbonated and it contains carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas. This gas is what gives a fizzy drink its bubbles. Yeah, I know whenever I see soda in a glass, I see these bubbles. What's that smell? Sometimes burps smell really gross. This bad smell can be caused by certain things we eat and drink. Bacteria in our digestive tract help break down food. Hydrogen sulfide can be made in the process. This gas smells like rotten eggs. This is the food in your stomach, and it's making stinky gas. Everyone burps, but burping at certain times can be rude. Sometimes we cannot control when we burp. If you have to burp, it's always polite to say, "Excuse me." You should not burp at the dinner table. Let's review. Burping is our body's way of releasing excess gas. Excess gas in the body can happen a few ways. Sometimes we swallow air when we eat or drink. Other times, gas is created when bacteria break down food in our digestive tract. Carbonated drinks like pop and fizzy water can also create excess gas. Smelly burps are caused by the types of food and liquids we eat and drink. Foods like cauliflower, broccoli, and dairy products can cause bad smelling gas. And this is the glossary. The glossary is a common feature of nonfiction text, and it talks about important vocabulary words that are mentioned in the book, and it tells you a definition. So bacteria, inside the human digestive tract, microscopic organisms that help in the digestion of food. And there's 3 other words, digestive tract, esophagus, and excess, and it gives their definition. So the glossary is really important. If you don't understand what a word means while you're reading the text, you can flip to the glossary and you can check and read what its definition is. The index tells you important vocabulary words that are in the book as well, but this one doesn't give you a definition. It tells you what pages the important words are located on. So the word gas is on page 8, page 10, page 12, page 14, and page 18. I hope you enjoyed this book called Burps by Grace Hansen.